Just a quick tool video. This is the smoke C4 diagnostic leak detector. I'm getting the intake leak somewhere, so I need to see where that's coming out. But with the VW and that cover on the top, you're never gonna see anything or be able to hear anything from the top because that cover's pretty much covering the whole thing. So you have to take the cover with the filter on it, and then I should be able to plug this into the intake, or maybe have to take out the throttle body too and see where that may be coming from. I don't know, but this is the one I got off Amazon. It was the cheapest one I found, but there's another one that's a yellow one, but this one actually comes with that extra, what do you call it, hand pump. So that's why I chose this one, because it was already included, so you don't have to buy that separately. So let me open it up and get back to you in a second. So here is what you get. I already took this out of the bag, so you get the bottle, get that. This is the other one pump I was telling you about. So they didn't show it on the picture, but lower on the description it did say that they include it. So I wanted to get that just in case I need it. This is the hose you connect to it, and then the hook and the 12-volt clamps. Not as straight as you think, but at least they're not the flimsier ones. The plug is this type. I don't know how well that's gonna work, because if it comes off, then you gotta start over. So that might not be the best plug, but here is the cone, and that's the other side. And it's pretty flexible. It's pretty thick, so that's that. Here is, if I can get it out. So you can see my hand. I can grab it. It's fairly small, so that's good. It's got a max level there. DC here. Let me see. Let me try it. Make sure. Okay, it's nice and snug, so that's good. Thought it was gonna be kind of loose. They usually are. I'll show you the back of the box there. So there's the back of that. And there's the inside that you can barely see. So it's like a small little motor in there. Definitely something else, but this one's just a basic smoke smoke machine. So that's that. And then, okay, that's super tight. Oil fill port. Caution when hot. I give you that. Don't open when machine is running. Add less than 20 milliliters. Okay, let's see what's in here. Looks like it's got an O-ring. Yeah, there's an O-ring there. That's that. So it's a very small compartment, I guess. Okay, I'm not gonna tighten that. So let me get back to you. Let me open this up. Alright, in case you were wondering what's inside this machines, so that little tank right there is plugged in to the mains there, and that's the little motor for the pump, and that's how it opens. It's like 2 screws here, 2 screws there, and then 2 on the bottom there. But this is all it is. It's a tiny board with a switch, which is what I was wondering what that was. A couple of hoses in there. Oh, that's the looks like the heater on this side, and that's pretty much it. So they have it all wire tied and sealed, but that's all the insides of this tool. Let's see, is that plastic? No, that's aluminum. Anyway, so the instructions say I can use baby oil, so I'm gonna do that and test it out. So let me go ahead and check the connections here. Everything's tight, so that's good. It's a tiny electric motor right there, so doesn't look like you need much. This has like a spring on it, so it looks like maybe that's a one-way valve, I'm guessing. Okay, looking at the inside one, that looks like a big nut over there, and a metal clamp on that hose, which is the one that comes here to the outside. Anyways, so that's the board, tiny board. So not much to it, but very important tool that you need in order to get those leaks. Alright, so I have it set up in the car. Just plugged everything in, and I'm getting smoke. That's just basically baby oil that I had around. And I'm glad I got this one because I was able to use this pump on the intake. So now I'm just going to plug it in and see where that problem is, or the leak, intake leak is. Hang on. So I do have smoke. Let's see where it comes out. There it is. It's coming out. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like it might be the secondary air pump. Let me see. Oh, there. You can see it coming out of the bottom there. But let me see. It's coming out of that. Is that the hose? Can't tell what it is. Okay, I see a stream there. Anyways, let me get a flashlight. Alright, so as you can see, it is my secondary air pump. Yeah, I knew that seal was old, so I didn't change it, but I do have the other one already, so I'll get to it one of these days, because that was the one that was painful to try and get to. But at least we know the C4 works. I found my leak. There's nothing else leaking around, so that's good to know. Let me keep going and check real quick. Nope, that's the only one, so there you go. It's worth it. I didn't have to look around anything else. I thought it might be up here, but I know I changed that a while back. There's nothing coming out. It's my secondary air pump. So I just gotta get under there, and that's pretty much it. So just pay for itself.